As a family of 6 living in Ghana, as a Nigerian, is 1,000 Ghana cedis enough to feed the family? Like, not just one day feeding, not just one day, like to buy food items, like foodstuffs that will what if you want to know everything that I said in this video, please watch to the end. Let's digest it together, because this country is actually expensive. For you out there that is watching me, if you are coming to settle, or you are relocating from Nigeria, from Togo, from Cameroon, wherever you are coming from, you are coming to stay in Ghana, like relocating to Ghana, due to you have heard that we have 247 lights, we have peace here, no boo boo boo, no boo ha ha, no wato wato here. There is electricity 247. All right, everything you are hearing about Ghana is true. Things are expensive here, so know this and budget very well. Let your account be heavy before moving to this country, because house rent is not a joke. Anyways, for a family of 6 living in Ghana as a Nigerian, 1,000 cedis can actually survive you guys to, let's say, not the entire month, but you can use it to buy foodstuffs. Like, for instance, what 1,000 Ghana cedis can do for you, if you are not that type that go for perfume rice, you go for Indian, like Indian long grain rice, you can get a 25 kg. 25 kg instead of buying the 10 kg, 5 kg is a waste of money. And you have to go for wholesalers price, not retail. Wholesalers, this is where you can actually buy. You can get 25 kg of rice. The 4 liter of oil, Frighton, is 200 cedis. Last time they sold it 200 cedis, so this new year I don't know how much it is. In December it was 200 Ghana. I got it from wholesale price. You can get that. So that's 2 items. 25 kg of rice. Some people are selling it for 500 and something cedis, 400 and something cedis. It depends the brand that you are eating. And one other thing, if you go and get maybe fish is like 169 quarter. The carton, they will bring a quarter from it, be around maybe 5 pieces or 4 pieces. And if you want to go for chicken, you understand, you want to go for chicken, 1 carton of chicken, hard chicken is 400 and something cedis, while soft chicken is 300 and something cedis for a carton. And that carton of chicken contains, sometimes you get 12 pieces inside, sometimes you get 10 pieces, the lap, the cows, 10 inside, sometimes you get 12. It's by luck sometimes. Okay, so this is things that 1,000 Ghana cedis can do for you. Maybe after everything, you now get 2 line of tasty tomatoes, tasting tomato strip, 2 line. So these are what 1,000 Ghana cedis can do for you. This is not for Ghanaians, so Ghanaians know how they can use that 1,000 Ghana cedis to get their foodstuffs. I'm talking about Nigerians. As a family of 6, it's eba. You know how you can still manage the 1,000 Ghana cedis, because this country is expensive. This is my tips. Always go for wholesoles. And if your family is that type that eats breakfast, you can go for wholesale price. You're going to get the tea, you get the milk, you get the sugar. Always buy your sugar in a or in a loan car, so that you don't go back to refill before the month end. You understand? Get your tea in a wholesale price, Milo wholesale price, maybe over tea wholesale price, milk wholesale price. You can go for milk milk and nation milk. There are a whole lot of variety of milk. Ideal milk is expensive. Ideal milk is very creamy and it's very nice. It's very tasty, but it's expensive. You can go for different brand. You want to manage this 1,000 Ghana cedis. This 1,000 Ghana cedis is just strictly for food, and you want to buy in bulk. Let me go again. 25 kg of rice, Frighton oil, 4 liter, quarter of fish, 1 carton of chicken. You can go for soft. You understand? Or you leave chicken and go for gizzard. Gizzard is quite half of it, 5 pieces, I think it's around 200 Ghana cedis. You understand? And 2 strip of tin tomatoes. Then the remaining change, you can use it to buy tomatoes, fresh tomatoes, pepper, onion, jelly, and all those maggi things. Come and pack it in the house anytime you want to. Or you buy jollof spices anytime you want to cook, like cook jollof stew. You understand? This is how you can actually survive it. Aside that, you're going to spend on food. You're going to spend it every day, every single day, every day. You're going to be spending on food. For some of you that is asking, you are going to be spending on food. If you don't go on monthly and budgeting food stuff buying, you're going to spend a lot. This 1,000 cedis is just for management. It doesn't mean that it can reach 1 month or the last day of the month. It can easily finish. You understand? Because with this 1,000 cedis, feeding fee is not added for your children's school. No, it's never part. It's never. There are some children, toddlers, feeding fee are 10 cedis. Some are 20 Ghana cedis. And this 1,000 cedis is, I think, is around 120,000 naira if I don't know. So you can manage it. If you know that you are moving to Ghana, this is how to actually do things. You buy in bulk. You go for wholesaler price, not retailer price, because retailer price are expensive, because they also go and buy to come and resell to us, the consumers. You understand? So I hope this video help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching to this time. I will come your way again in my next video. If there's anything you want me to talk about, any related topic concerning Ghana, water, light, and relocation, put it down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. You guys subscribe, comment, watch my videos, and share my videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.